This topic covers law of conservation of energy. This is also known as conservation theorem. The conservation theorem. Before going towards the conservation theorem, let us remember one thing. That is, if the time t does not appear, if the time t does not appear in Lagrangian L, which is obviously the difference between kinetic and potential energy, then the Hamiltonian H, that is total energy, is conserved. This is the energy conservation unless the velocity depends upon the velocity q dot. It means that this law, all this statements mean that this law is only valid for conservative system. Okay, so let us consider an isolated system for which the Lagrangian L is defined as Lagrangian L is a function of position coordinates, its velocity and time. Differentiate this Lagrangian with respect to time t. We have dl by dt is equal to summation I dl by dqi, and we have again derivative of dq by dt, that is q dot. Okay, so this is the chain rule plus summation I dl by dq dot and dq dot by dt. We can write it q double dot, but let us write it in this way, which is convenient for us. And we have dt by dt, which is 1, but we say if the time t does not appear in Lagrangian. So we must remember that, in fact I must write it, that the Lagrangian L for this system is a function of position coordinate and the velocity coordinate only. So it is independent of time. Okay. We have this is our equation number 1. We know the Lagrangian equation. The Lagrangian equation is d by dt of partial L by partial q I dot minus partial L by partial q I is 0. This implies that d by dt of partial L by partial q I dot is equal to partial L by partial qi. So we can replace partial L by partial qi by this term. So our above equation will become dl by dt. Let us call this as equation number 2. So substituting equation 2 in 1, we have summation I d by dt of partial L by partial q I dot. Substituting equation 2 in 1, we have summation I d by dt of partial L by partial q I dot q I dot plus this term as it is, summation partial L by partial qi dot partial qi dot over partial dqi over dt. Okay, so we have summation d by dt of partial L by partial qi dot plus partial L by partial qi dot dqi by dt. Alright, so look at this equation. This is the derivative of these two functions, that is d by dt of partial L by partial Qi dot Qi. Let us call it first function and this as second function. Then we have the derivative on this term as derivative of first multiply by the second function as it plus the first function as it multiply by the derivative of second function, which means that this is the product rule. So product rule. In fact, for simplicity, consider the derivative of consider d by dt of partial L by partial Qi multiply by Qi dot. So Qi dot. So that this derivative will become equal to d by dt of partial L by partial Qi dot Qi dot plus partial L by partial Qi dot d by dt of Qi dot. This term is same as this term, so we can write this term in the form of this equation. Dl by dt will become d by dt of partial L by partial Qi dot times Qi dot. Okay. This can further be reduced in the form d by dt of partial L by partial Qi dot minus L is equal to 0. We have shifted the equations on one side of the term and applied the distributive law of differentiation. So we have partial L by partial Qi dot minus L is equal to 0. This term in bracket, this is known as energy function. Term in bracket is known as energy function. Okay. So if we integrate both sides, we will have partial L by partial Qi dot minus L is equal to constant. Now this partial L by partial Qi dot is actually the momentum, that is we can write it mi Qi dot multiply by Qi dot minus L is equal to constant. So this will become equal to mi Qi dot squared minus LST minus B is equal to constant. Okay. Consider mi half mi Qi this term mi Qi dot square multiply and divide it by half. We have multiply and divided by 2. We have 2 times 1 by 2 mi Qi dot squared. This is the generalized kinetic energy T minus T plus V is equal to constant. So this is T and there is 2. So 2T minus T plus V is equal to constant, and this will become equal to T plus B is equal to constant, which is T plus V is known as the Hamiltonian, that is total energy is equal to constant. The total energy for a conservative system always remains constant.